transport. We drop the hooks overboard. And if you get a little seasick, we play the haddock for a hat trick. We got the hammocks on the main deck. We got the butler doing the hen pack. He say we should have been swabbing the poop deck. What's what the other pirates do? But we're bringing you yo-ho heroes.
Standing in the gap, where'd you put the toys? Time to take a nap. Yo-ho heroes, flighty as a bird, easy as the word.
Yo, I'm seeing no heroes.